That's all right.
Your battery don't go for 5 minutes.
Well, I know that heli's only going to make it 3.
Yeah, there you go. You might make it 3 if you keep looking back at me. I'm recording you, so no pressure.
Well, you definitely got to get off the throttle before you come out of the shit.
You did that wrong.
Come out of the loop over the top. It really jacks it up.
That was pretty.
You didn't. I'm nervous. I'm still nervous from the other flight. I
Right.
need to settle down.
You want me to not tape you?
No, you can do whatever you want. I just need to settle down.
You're doing good.
And I'm out here trying to. Oh, that's too tight. I'll hit us.
It'll only hurt so much. It's below the FAA's minimum, safe weight, so we're good.
Man, figure eights can be very calming.
Yeah.
This doesn't work. I'm doing something wrong.
I think it was rolling to the right a little on that one. The wings aren't level on entry or something. It was good earlier.
That's why I'm wondering if I'm not stalling when I go up to do this.
I don't think you were level. You're level that time. Yeah, it's rolling just a little.
It rolls over on the bottom, and it rolls the wrong way I want it to. So I think I'm doing it. I'm probably putting aileron in too soon. Yeah.
Oh, you're thinking about the aileron and it's just happening, isn't it?
No, I'm also just realized something else. I can't see when I'm over there. The sun's blocking.
That
so
too.
I gotta change my pattern.
Turn sideways, go left to right.
I'm gonna have to go out here.
Towards the runway?
Yeah.
All you've got out, actually nobody's out there now. We can walk up to the runway. Yeah. I'll keep an eye out. He's going to get his plane, but nobody's flying.
Out here.
Buzzing.
I got a better orientation.
The sun's in the right spot.
Yep, and the sun. Oh, I did
I saw you pull it.
Yeah, I rolled it before.
He's still out there.
Yeah, I'm
almost
doing it. I'm the one doing it. My thumb is not doing what I want it to do.
That was cool.
Yeah, I know what I need to be doing. Doing this the wrong way.
He's off the runway now.
Straight. Hello. Ah, there we go. Yeah, it stalls.
Yeah, it ran out of momentum.
It runs out of momentum at the top, so.
You need to pull just a little harder.
No, I need to. Where's my throttle battery?
There you go.
I'm not carrying it properly. There we go. Hey, look at me as I walk out across the field.
Huh?
Oh, still do that shit where I start on the runway and I work my way out to the middle of the field.
Oh, that's why they put fences there. They're Shawn resistant.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Do it this slow. Nope.
That wasn't bad. Ran out of speed, but it wasn't bad. Ooh.
Does start pretty nice. Gotta remember to use my throttles. Too much. That's what flying in the gym does. Oh,
Battery?
that was battery.
Got plenty of momentum.
Oh shit.
Oh.
I ballooned it.
Yep, that was all you.